Hello guys, it's Asone. Wishing you all a very happy Karbi Youth Festival, which is going to be held on 15 February. And it's great honor to have a video from Uganda, my friend Mr. Voice, wishing you all a very happy Karbi Youth Festival.
Oh, the 49th Karbi Festival is back in its glory.
Wow!
Hello, Kingdom Jahin. It's Mr. Paul.
Mr. Salim.
Brother Kenny, Master Gilbert from Uganda.
We are happy to invite all the nation to the Karbi Youth Festival, the oldest scenic festival in India, organized by the Karbi Culture Society.
Yes, the people of Karbi Anglongasang and the people of India come and we enjoy as we celebrate together.
Oh, so please come and visit the beautiful coloring festival of Karbi, which will be held on 15th, 19th February 2023.
We would wish to be with you people of Karbi Anglongasang.
We wish you the government of India, the youth, and
Our dear beloved brother Asang Arthur. A happy Karbi Youth Festival.
Mela India Bahan.
Hula!
Hula! India, we love you people of India. Mela, Balat, India Mahan. We love you India.